Hello USA, welcome to Tonic's birthday. Now I know you like a bargain, yeah? How would you like over $200 of crafty goodness for $55? This bag is full. Okay, I'm not going to show you what's in it because that would defeat the whole object of having a mystery bag, wouldn't it? So, have a look. We have got, we've got Craft Perfect papers. There's loads in here. We've got glitters. We've got cutting instruments. We've got papers. We've got die sets. Wowee, I wouldn't expect that one to be in there, but hey, don't question it. So we've got more dies. We've got stencils. Another die set. What's that? Oh, stamps. Got stamp. There's so much. Dan, I can't get. Are you sure this is? There's so much in here. I can't get to the bottom. So I'm pulling stuff out. I can't see what's in the bottom. There's so much. Oh, we've got Nuvo in there. We've got quite a bit of Nuvo in the bottom, and I'm sure they shouldn't be in there. But hey, take it, own it. It's a brilliant price that is. So remember, it's full. You'll be surprised when you get this lot. So over $200 of Tonic goodies for $55. If you buy anything from Tonic's birthday, this is so worth it.